how to fix the problem of files disappearing from a USB flash drive or the shortcut virus issue. This virus works by hiding your files and turning them into shortcut files, just like you see here, with a size of about 1 kilobyte. Even though, if we look at the used storage space on the flash drive, we'll find it's around 3 gigabytes and 40 megabytes, approximately. That means this virus does not delete your files, but instead hides them and replaces them with shortcut files. Of course, you should never click on these folders because if you do, the virus will spread to your computer. So, does this mean your original files that were on the flash drive are gone, or that you can't get them back? Of course not. Today, we'll learn together how to restore all the original files that were on the flash drive without any problems. And also, we'll remove the shortcut virus permanently. Before we start, I'd really appreciate it if you hit like on the video, because this video will really help you. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the bell to all so you don't miss any tutorials or videos. If you're facing any problem and don't know how to solve it, write it in the comments and we'll make a full tutorial about it. You'll also find in the description several videos where we explain how to fix most USB flash drive and memory card problems. Alright, let's start. Step 1. Show hidden files on your computer. Go to the toolbar, click on File. If you're using Windows 7, click on Organize. Then choose Change Folder and Search options. The window will open. Click on the View tab. From here, enable this option. Show hidden files, folders, and drives. Then make sure you remove the check mark from Hide Protected Operating System Files. Because the shortcut virus hides files as if they were protected system files. So the most important thing is enable Show Hidden Files and uncheck Hide Protected Operating System Files. Then click OK. Once you click OK, you'll notice that all hidden files appear on the flash drive. Step 2. Press Windows plus R to open the run window. Type CMD, then press Enter. Now, it's very important to know the drive letter of the flash drive that has the problem. In my case, the flash drive letter is H, so you type your flash drive letter. For me, I type H, then press Enter. Step 3. The important command. I'll leave this command in the description, but you must replace the drive letter with your own. Now type this command exactly. * space dash H space dash S space asterisk dot asterisk space slash S space slash H. Let me explain it clearly. Space means you press the space bar. Asterisk means the star symbol, asterisk dot means a dot. Slash H is the flash drive letter. Replace H with yours. So the real command looks like this. @-h-s asterisk dot asterisk slash S slash H. After you press enter, you'll notice that all the hidden files reappear on the flash drive. This method is very important because sometimes showing hidden files manually does not work. That's because the virus completely hides the original files from the flash drive. But using this command, the files come back without any problems. After that, delete all the shortcut files that appeared. And this way we completely remove the shortcut virus. Now you can open your folders normally and use your files without any issues. As you can see, these are the original files that were on the flash drive. That's it, we finished the tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit like. And if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe now and turn on the bell to all so you don't miss any new videos.